Yo Ghana for your chachamo and then you J Ghana TV so and wasugwa wutie J Ghana TV. We stand for the truth. And tia yate enye asempa. News are eba, breaking news are eba, HSA eye ora yi nyina yinim no say ni din de Sir John Kwadwo Owusu Afriye Sir John owo New Patriotic Party NPP mu. And tia yete ne say ye papa nyame ato ne nsa afre no eye asema areho eya eden sese ne yin nyina nim Sir John no oye obi a ne ho ani kan yie na obi bia penasem se wo ye NPP ni se wo ye NDC ni ana se wo supporting no supporting no se ne Sir John sitie no bia penasem enti na ama news na yete ye no etwetwe nyina ya so na wo se ye ma yetiefo ne ahwefo nyina so eti bi se yewura Sir John ye nim no se oye politician or say lawyer ni di ankasa ye de wo no eye Kwadwo Owusu Afriye ene entia atene se nyame ato ne nsa afre no
immensely from my uncles and my sisters and brothers and and mothers. In Ashanti region we don't have things that we call first cousin or second cousin or so on and so forth. Your brother is a brother, a sister is a sister. So I've immensely benefited from such an extended family system. I went through middle school as it was invoked in those days, and then went to secondary school in 1968.
Which secondary school did you attend?
Bekwai SDA Secondary School at Bekwai Ashanti. And in 1973, I left the O-levels and went on to Konongo Master Secondary School for my A-levels. Yes, course, the great course. From then on, but I think the first time of coming to Accra was when I came to Legon. So I have had it very well. God has dealt with me, fairly. Perhaps, but for my coming to Legon, I wouldn't have come to Accra. So I'm a typical, village boy, and made good by God's own, intervention. So at Legon, I studied law, political science, and sociology at the first year. Went on to read graduate, and then move on to read law, and called to the bar in 1981. So from 81, it's about 31 years ago, isn't it? So we've practiced, as lawyer, and from humble beginnings, I think that we are where we are today.
Na me can be kakra afa Sir John. Sir John or a lawyer. He's a lawyer and a politician. And now SDA ni so eka ho. He was in Seventh-day Adventist Church. Ni na osako school ewo Seventh-day Adventist secondary school ewo Bekwai. E na obtaining a GCE level certificate. Na he proceeded to obtain his GCE advanced level certificate from Konongo Odumase Secondary School in Konongo. He was admitted to study political science at the University of Ghana. He then enrolled at the Ghana School of Law, where he graduated with Bachelor of Laws. After this, he was admitted as a solicitor and a counsel for the Supreme Court of Ghana. Inti Sir John ne honsam kakra ye kan no enche bia so na nana ado eba ne CEO of forestry oguso na oye na djuma 2017 eba no nana ado ede no eko forestry ho na se ne nyina enim no oguso obo adwumaden pa na ye be kai Sir John bia mu a ebra 2012 election no honsensem ba ya Supreme Court bear mu na Sir John koke kansem bi oni hopes na doye ema ye di omo etwi mu kakra enti no na Sir John se ne meka no ye nim ni yie pa na wadi politics mu akotene yie pa ewo NPP mu on the ticket of NPP enti Sir John de obiya nim no obiya nim Sir John enti ama asemi aye areho pa ye cause Sir John de ni emfa ye ni nsusu ejina is na J Ghana TV breaking news ayate no say ye papa Sir John Kwadwo Owusu Afriye onka atiasefo ho biom ne picture ena eda so ise wonimu na ne picture ena eda so ayi na ye hwe you na de be kan say John dem refedue we ase no ewu eya nkoja ewu eda mansa ko mu obi abekobi na kwan bi ebi fa so kɔ no ya na are ho ya na eya yeguso ye hwehwemu na ye hu adekode potia ekun Sir John na ye de ehon sem so bebre ye tiefo ne ahwefo nyina ye da mu nyina ase semutie koso na subscribe Ghana TV subscribe mama sisi a se won subscribe ya me pa cho subscribe mama me da mu nyina ase